What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you what's the best home server OS, Synology or Hexos. Now, if you're deciding between this OS or the server OS available right now, either Synology or Hexos or Hex OS, well, there are a bunch of difference that you may want to know. So let's start with Hex OS. Now, Hex OS is an open source home server operating system designed for running local apps, managing storage, and even handling smart home automation. Now, it's easy to set up on hardware you already own, so like a mini PC or an old server. So the main appeal is flexibility. So it's free, open source, and built around a modern app-first interface. This makes it great for DIY enthusiasts who value customization, low cost, and clean UI over tight hardware integration. Now, let's move on to the next one here, which is going to be Synology. Now, Synology takes a complete different approach here. It's full hardware and software NAS ecosystem powered by Disk Station Manager or DSM. Synology focuses on long-term stability, strong support, and a polished user interface that's ready to go right out of the box. So you buy Synology hardware and the DSM comes included. Now, it's the go-to choice for those who want a plug-and-play setup with minimal configuration. Yeah, both for performance here and professional grade feature without diving into manual tweaks. So, if you want flexibility, open source freedom, and zero licensing costs, then go ahead and get HexOS. Now, if you prefer stability and built-in support and refined plug-and-play experience, then choose Synology. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.